Ever find yourself clicking buy now just to feel better? You're not alone. Let's talk about how to stop emotional spending starting today. Emotional spending isn't just a habit. It's a coping mechanism. But with the right tools, you can take back control of your money and your emotions. Step 1, name the emotion. Pause before every purchase. Ask yourself, what am I feeling? Lonely, bored, stressed. Naming the emotion gives you power over it. Step 2, replace the habit. Create a list of go-to replacements. Instead of shopping, go journal or go for a walk, budget or call a friend. Emotional needs don't have to be solved by packages. Step 3, set boundaries. Give your money a job. When every dollar is assigned to a category, like groceries, fun, or savings, it's harder to justify pulling from those categories for impulse buys. Step 4, forgive yourself. If you slipped yesterday, that's okay. The power is in the pause, not in perfection. You're already changing just by being here. Step 5, create a wait list. Before you buy anything, write it down and wait 24 hours. Most emotional wants fade with time, and if it's still calling your name tomorrow, you'll know it's intentional. And if it's not still calling your name tomorrow, you can take it out the cart. You don't need to wait until next month or next week or tomorrow. You can stop emotional spending today, one decision at a time. Follow me if you're ready to take back control and budget with calm.